How to use Zelle with First Citizen Bank. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Zelle with First Citizen Bank. So actually what you need is log into your First Citizen digital mobile banking app, and you just want to make sure to log in, right? After which you want to go to the home page and you could find transfer options. Among that, you could also see send money. So you will be able to find send money with Zelle. Basically, you have to tap open the send money with Zelle, then enter the email address or a mobile number and verify it with one-time code as well in order to verify your Zelle. Then you have to select a contact. That means enter the amount and add an options note and review before sending as well. You could share your enrolled email or mobile number with a friend and family to receive funds directly into your account as well. And this is how you will be able to use Zelle with First Citizen Bank. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.